guys, look what happened to fall onto my doorstep today. The new Illustrated Faith devotional kit. So this one looks like it's going to be called Goals. So I haven't even opened it yet because I just went out and grabbed it out of the mailbox. So let's see what's in there. I like the little sentiment here on the side. You are loved. I like that. All right, so you got your little kit. It comes in the little package. So let's see what is in here today. Okay, let's get the washi tape out. So we have got, it's green, and then what does it say on here? Let's open it. It says dreams, hopes, dreams and hopes. So that's what we've got for the washi tape this time. I'm kind of liking that color too. That's pretty. And then we've got our little card that tells us the name of the kit. It says goals. And then the note from Shauna says, Happy New Year, friends. I've never been much of a resolution girl, but I love that we can get to start all over with God each and every day. He always giving us fresh mercy and hope, and the beginning of a year feels like the perfect time to evaluate our priorities and the important things in life. This month, let's celebrate the good and ask Him to transform the rest. Here's to a new year and fresh beginnings and new goals. Hashtag goals. Sounds pretty good. All right, I'll put that up here. Then we're going to get some stamps, and they say faith, goals, hope, hopes, and dreams. And then you've got some little decorations here. Let's take it out of this wrapper. We don't need it in there. We'll throw that out. It's got a hashtag, and then it's got some little background stamp here. That's cool. And then looks like we've got some tip-ins. So these, and they match the little background stamps here with the little diamond like shapes. I don't know what these are called, what kind of shapes these are called, but cool. He makes my path straight. And then on the back there's some room for writing. Every morning mercy's new. I like the color of this one. God is doing a new thing. It's a journey of faith. He's a generous God. Oh, the power of prayer. And then we've got, let's put those over here. And then we've got the stickers. So these have a bunch of words. And again, the little background things. I like this purple color. That's really pretty. And here we got a few more words and some hearts, some arrows, a little upside down banner. Here's a banner. It says faith. I'm really liking that one. And then it looks like we have our devotional pages. So this says wisdom and goals. And then on the back you've got session 1, and there's a verse down here at the bottom. And there's also a verse. Oh, it looks like it's the same verse. So there's 2 verses, or 1 verse on that one. Hashtag hope goals. And session 2. And then again, there's a verse down here for you to follow and some prompting. Faith goals. And this one also has a verse. I really like it when they have the verse on there because I need some direction on where to go. Prayer goals. No ocean can hold it back. Oh, this is going to be fun. And then we've got our verse down here at the bottom. Kindness goals. Oops, upside down. And again, another verse. Yay. Peace goals. Our verse and some more prompting. What are other ways God invites us into His peace? That sounds fun. Home goals. Another verse. Where in your life do you need help prioritizing? Oh, that's going to be a good one for me. Oh, and this one says health goals. And again, this one has a verse. And what healing do you and your family need? That's one of the questions here after you read the little prompt up here. So you've got 8 cards that you have a verse that you can do something with in your Bible. So that sounds really fun. I'm thinking that maybe since I'm already doing a devotional on Thursdays for a live class that maybe I will just do this separate by myself during the week and maybe post a process video of that. I think that would be the best way to go about that, and then we'll have both things going at the same time, and I can use up some of this stuff because it really looks fun and it's got some pretty colors in here. So I can't wait to get started on my new Illustrated Faith Goals devotional kit. I hope that you will join me. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. I'll also put a link to the kit down in the description box if you'd like to head over and grab one and do some journaling yourself. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.